guys, I'm Joshua Winter and we're here today at Golden Gate National Park. Golden Gate National Park is situated in the Free State, 20 minutes away from the town of Clarence. It is SANParks' premier grassland and mountain destination. Right now we are in the Golden Gate Vulture Hide. We were seeing two Cape vultures, but it looks like they've flown off. I can't see them anymore. We're hoping to see a lammergeier, or otherwise known as a bearded vulture. There's lots of carcasses around, but they're all a bit old, so I don't think we'll be seeing him, but it was still nice to see those Cape vultures. We've got two jackal buzzards over here. I think we saw the one earlier, but he flew away, but we've found him again with another one. And I'm surprised they haven't taken off yet because we're quite close to them. So one of my friends has just spotted a redbuck down there in the valley, but it has started walking up the valley and it's around the height of my arm right now. It's always nice to see redbuck because we don't see them in the bushveld. You only really see them here in the mountains. So yeah. We are here at Zulu Hook Lookout Point, and on the way up we saw some blackback jackal. Cape longclaws are birds that are notorious for never standing still. Often you will have the perfect shot of one, but just as you're about to take the photo, he will move out of frame. Fortunately, this guy stood quite still for me. This is a terrible video of an endangered secretary bird. Despite being at least a kilometer away, we can still see him kick something on the ground and then eat it. To me, it looks like he kills a snake or a mouse. Quite a ways away, we're about 200 meters, is a black wildebeest. Now black wildebeest are quite different to blue wildebeest. Blue wildebeest horns go out and up like that, whereas black wildebeest go out, straight down and then up. And despite them being herbivores, they are known to be quite aggressive and they have killed people before, unfortunately. So whenever I'm on foot, I'm always keeping a good lookout for them. We came back the next week to do the Cathedral Cave hike. After the hike, we decided to quickly stop at the vulture hide, and to our amazement, there was a juvenile bearded vulture sitting in the distance. What a special bird to end off a special holiday. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.